Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Laelatus Safariyah. Here, I will explain my paper by title Safariyah Program to Overcome Water Crisis in Madura Dryland, Sumenep. Sumenep is a district that has a food self-sufficiency program. Sumenep has potential dryland. The main problem that is often faced by farmers in Sumenep is the limited amount of water during the dry seasons, causing hindered farming activities. Therefore, purposed a safe rain program. Next, research methods consists of one type of research. Type of research, this is qualitative research. Two, data storage. Data storage, this is content data. And three, research sheets. Research sheets, this is Sumenep. Safe Rain Program. Safe Rain Program is one of the program purpose to overcome the problem of the water crisis by utilizing rainwater. The system of this program is that during the rainy seasons, the falling water will be collected in a large container. When the dry season arrives, the container containing the water will be used for farming activities. Next, the parties involved consist of four. One, Department of Agriculture, role the main source of data. Two, farmers, role target. Three, agriculture extensions, role program implementation assistance. And four, academic, role program originator. Thesis program consists of three steps. One, preparation consists of socializations, program strengthening, management formations. Two, implementation consists of training, implementation, and guidance. Three, development consists of evaluation and monitoring. Thank you for watching. May be useful. And don't forget like, comment, and subscribe.